Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Tundra tailgate handle. First, gather your tools. You will need an 8mm and a 10mm socket, a T30 Torx bit, needle nose pliers, a flathead screwdriver, and some spray lubricant. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. This is a simple repair that most people can complete in about 1 hour, saving you time and money. Now, let's begin the removal process. Start by opening your tailgate and removing the inner access panel. This panel is typically held in place by about 8 Torx head screws. Once the panel is off, you will see the handle mechanism. Use your needle nose pliers to carefully detach the 2 rods connected to the handle. Next, remove the 2 10mm bolts that secure the handle assembly. Finally, use a flathead screwdriver or pick to release the small retaining clip and remove the lock cylinder. With the old handle removed, it is time to install the new one. First, transfer the lock cylinder from your old handle to the new replacement, ensuring the retaining clip is securely in place. Then, carefully feed the new handle assembly into the tailgate opening from the outside. Align the handle with the mounting holes and secure it using the 2 10mm bolts. Finally, reattach the 2 rods to their respective latch mechanisms on the new handle, ensuring they snap firmly into their retainers. Before finishing up, apply a small amount of silicone spray to the moving parts of the new handle for smooth operation. Now, reinstall the inner tailgate access panel, securing it with all 8 Torx head screws. Once everything is reassembled, thoroughly test your new tailgate handle. Open and close the tailgate several times to confirm it latches and releases properly. Also, check that the lock cylinder functions correctly to secure your tailgate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.